Hey, it's Doug with another technology review. Let's talk about the lights on your house address light fixture. This light has been the bane of my existence for 6 years. When I go through Trilogy at night, it's amazing how many other houses have address fixtures that don't work. This should be a long-lasting, carefree fixture, but it's been nothing but a pain. It's a simple design. It starts with a small bell transformer in your garage that steps down the voltage from 120 volts to a 24 volts. The two 12-volt bulbs are in series, like an old Christmas tree light circuit. When one burns out, they both go out. And believe me when I say I've gone through a lifetime of light bulbs. The same style bulbs, different style bulbs, it doesn't matter. So I'm done with it. Today I installed a solar-powered LED light fixture that looks like the old one in every way. No more 24-hour operation, no more bulb failures, and no more headaches. And if I ever need a new battery, it's just a standard AA rechargeable battery I can pick up anywhere, which is way cheaper than a replacement bulb for this old one. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions on the initial charge. And the best part is, the new light was less than $40 and delivered in 2 days. I don't normally endorse products, but if you'd like to see the solar fixture I bought, stop the video and Google on the following number. Hopefully, I'll be as happy down the road as I am today, but for now, it's all good. Thanks again, and if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.